Hi everyone, this is Gokhan. I'm a realtor in Montclair, New Jersey. Today we will have an amazing house tour. Join us.
The house number is carved into the inside of a large iron chest in the corner of the lot where the house is located. As we walk down the sidewalk in front of the house and head towards the entrance, we are greeted by a very impressive entrance. A majestic roof on top of large steel columns. After climbing the four-step entrance staircase, we are greeted by a magnificent steel door that we are not used to seeing in American homes. The door is a work of art. I will tell you the details later. When we enter the house, the brightness of the parquet floor, which was renovated 5 years ago, catches our attention. After a small entrance located at the entrance, we enter the living room. In the living room, there is a beautiful silk carpet between two facing sofas on the floor. A little further on, we see a huge dining table made of walnut wood on steel in the shape of a picnic table. The lamp in the shape of a candle decorated with Ottoman motifs hanging from the center of the table adds a separate aesthetic touch to the room. The paintings in the room complement the harmony of the room together with the motifs of the cushions on the sofas. By the way, all the paintings in the room were made by the homeowner. The homeowner is a true artist. Now let us show you our kitchen. All kitchen cabinets were renovated 5 years ago, but they look brand new as if they were installed just 3 months ago. When we enter our kitchen from the dining table, we are greeted by a large American fireplace. We can say that our kitchen is relatively small. After the kitchen, I want to show you our very enjoyable balcony, which is made of water-resistant wood material called Trex deck in America, which was completely new in 2022, and has a large umbrella to protect it from the sun. The balcony railings are specially designed to bend inwards to prevent small children from climbing and falling. By the way, as you can see, our barbecue, which is mounted on the balcony railings, is ready. The balcony is a very enjoyable place to drink coffee in the afternoon, chat with your wife or friend in the summer. As you can see, the backyard of the house is surrounded by white PVC fences with a height of 6 feet, which is almost 1.82 meters. So a very nice area has been prepared where the child in the house can play safely. Let's continue our house tour by entering the house. There are many more details to tell about this house. As you can see, the house completely takes in the afternoon sun. I want to show you the living room from this angle as well. Now I will tell you the details of this magnificent steel door that is rarely found in American homes. As you can see, the exterior of the steel door is designed with patterned iron railings, and the glass part of the door can also be opened. Do you see the thickness of the door? This door has 3 layers of insulation: sound, water, and dust insulation. At the same time, it may not be fully visible from the camera, but there is also a mosquito net in front of the glass, so if you want to get some air but don't want flies or insects to enter, you just need to open the glass part of the door. Now I will also show you the stainless steel staircase railings at the entrance, which we are not used to seeing in America. You may ask why these are important and why you are showing them, but ironwork is very expensive in America and all of these are very expensive jobs that require serious craftsmanship. In the United States, you will rarely find a house with an entrance like this except for luxury homes worth over $1 million, because both the labor and materials are quite expensive in the United States. Here you see the house number with bird motifs at the entrance. At the entrance, we are greeted by the Besiktas eagle. It is clear that the owner of the house is a Besiktas fan. After taking a look at our mirror, let me show you the other rooms. In the United States, they call this type of house a split level. We can say it is a divided floor in Turkish. So, one part of the house's rooms is slightly above the entrance, and there is a small staircase between the entrance and the other rooms. For this reason, one part of the house is divided from the other by a staircase. On the left, we have a small bedroom designed for overnight guests. In the United States, houses are usually sold with furniture. The owner of this house left all of this furniture to the buyer for a small fee when he sold the house. Opposite this small bedroom is a bathroom called a full bath, which has a toilet and shower together. Everything in the bathroom is at most 5 years old, so we can say it is new. After the bathroom, I want to show you the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a full orthopedic bed with massage function. The ceiling is equipped with spotlights. The windows on both sides allow the room to get enough sunlight and stay bright until sunset. A modest makeup mirror and a wooden dresser complete the harmony of the bedroom. After the bedroom, I want to show you the children's room. The children's room is painted in blue and white, and the same spotlights are located on the ceiling. The room has a queen-size bed. This room also gets light from the windows on both different sides, just like the master bedroom, and thus benefits from sunlight all hours of the day. The thing that stands out in the room is the custom-made table opposite the bed. It provides a full-length work area for the young brother staying in the room. On the wall next to the bed, there is a small table, screen, and PlayStation. I especially want to show you the window sills. These sills provide insulation for heat, sound, and moisture. The windows are custom-made PVC brought from Turkey. The use of PVC in the United States is not very common due to the cost. After showing you the room from every angle, I now want to show you the other parts of the house. The house is climate-controlled with a central heating and cooling system. In addition, there is a separate fan in addition to the central system that transfers the air in the house to the outside. I want to show you the beauty and harmony of the living room again. We go down to the TV room through the kitchen. Here, it seems like there is a separate living area independent from the house. A simple seating group greets us, and a large TV is located opposite the seating group. On the left side of the room, there is a washing machine and dryer. Directly opposite the machines is a brand new bathroom consisting of a shower and toilet. On the left of the bathroom, we have a separate closed area that we can call a winter garden, which opens to the backyard. This is a pleasant section that can be used as a gym or office. Now let's all go down to the basement. The basement is ready to be used as a living area called a full finish basement in the United States, and the owner has designed it as a gym. As you can see, the fitness equipment and a 4-person backgammon table are ready. After seeing the backgammon table, you can guess where the homeowner is from. As you can see, even the unseen parts of the house, the ceiling of the basement, are painted in a way that will not disturb your taste. Now we are going upstairs again from the basement. I want to show you the ground floor. As I mentioned earlier, there is a TV room, a washing machine and dryer, and a closed porch area that opens to the outside. One of my favorite features of American homes is that you can enter your garage directly from the house. The owner has used this as his own small workshop. These are the garages where big companies like Apple and Google rented space when they first started. Having an area that you can use adjacent to your home gives you a lot of flexibility to realize yourself and put your ideas into practice. Now let's go upstairs again, quickly show the kitchen, and then go outside and tell you about the exterior features of this beautiful house. The exterior and siding of this property were completely renovated in 2022. All the siding and exterior boards were removed, the exterior walls of the house were opened, and a 3-layer insulation material was placed inside. This means that all the walls of the house have sound, moisture, and heat insulation. Just building this magnificent entrance on steel columns at the entrance of the house would cost more than $20,000. The owner of this house is a 27-year-old ironworker, so he and his wife built it themselves, planning to live in the house, in the best way possible, without sparing any expense. The entrance of the house is as magnificent as the entrance of a castle. All the figurines in front of the house are cast iron, handcrafted works of the homeowner. Even the gutters of the house are made of the highest quality materials that allow rain to enter but prevent leaves and larger objects from entering. Since the house is located on a corner lot, the lot of the house is much larger than the houses on the same line. The large door number and pelican bird on the corner of the house are all wrought iron. Although this side of the house also belongs to the house, the municipality did not allow large fences, so the owner did not close it. In America, everything is subject to the permission of the municipality, so you cannot put a fence as you like just because the house is yours. If you do, you will first receive a warning from the municipality, then a fine. If you still do not comply with the municipality's regulation, the matter goes to court. So, the fact that most of the houses in America are usually beautiful like dolls is the result of legal regulations and sanctions. As you can see, the lot of the house is actually quite large. Now we will go back to the front of the house and enter the backyard from the side of the garage, and I will show you the backyard. In America, having a beautiful house with trees and lawns also comes with responsibilities. The maintenance of these trees and lawns is entirely yours. You must cut your lawn at least once every 2 weeks. If you don't, you will be warned, then fined. Then the municipality will cut your lawn for you and charge you a second fine, along with the full cost. If you don't pay this either, the fine will increase with interest until you lose your house. That's why a house with a garden is a blessing as much as it is a burden. For this reason, when Americans get old, they usually sell these types of detached houses and move to communities where maintenance and repair work is done by the management. The steel door in this property is rarely found in American homes under $1 million. That's why I want to show you this rare work of art again. As I mentioned earlier, I will now show you the backyard of the house. The house is heated and cooled by a central system. You can see the large fan of the cooling unit here. The house is protected by a 24-hour surveillance system with 4K cameras installed on all sides. The small solar panel you see is charging the camera's battery. The enclosed porch you see now was completed in 2022. Thanks to the 3-layer insulation I mentioned earlier, it can be used as a separate room. The small solar panel and our camera are also recording the house here 24 hours a day. This spacious balcony, which was also completed in 2022, provides enough space for breakfasts and events to be held outside in the summer. As you can see, our barbecue is ready. Finally, I will end the video by giving you a short night tour. The house also has a different aesthetic feel from the outside with its lighting. The video tour of the house is complete. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And please write your comments about the house in the comments section. Thank you in advance for your support.